Hi, I'm Russ. Today I'd like to talk to you about adjusting your cabinet doors up and down. Let's get started. Okay, when adjusting doors on cabinetry, it's important to identify what type of hinge you have so you know you can make the necessary adjustments. We open this cabinet here. The hinge that's on this cabinet is slightly different to the hinge on this cabinet. The difference that I want to point out is that with this type of hinge, you have to loosen the screws that actually mounts the hinge to the side of the cabinet to make the height adjustment. Whereas on this type of hinge, you need a Phillips screwdriver. There is another screw next to the screw that mounts the plate to the side of the cabinet. So we don't loosen the plate that mounts to the side of the cabinet. There's just another screw here underneath next to it. And if I turn that clockwise or anti-clockwise, it's on a cam and it moves the hinge up and down. So this door here is too tight to this drawer above. In fact, you can hear it rubbing, which is no good. So what we're going to do, we're going to lower this door down. So once again, find the screw here. It's underneath the hinge on this side. On the other side of the cabinet, if this door was hinged on the other side, it would be above because the hinge is universal. So you just adjust that half a turn on the screwdriver, not too much, but don't forget to do the bottom. You have to do both hinges at the same time. Move that down. Now we can see that our door has dropped down. We have a nice uniform gap, and it's where we need the door to be, and it's no longer rubbing. And that's how you do it.